Central Texas, South Central Nolan County, and West Central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Robert Lee, moving northeast at 25 toward Blackwell and Brant. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Robert Lee, Blackwell, East V, Spence Reservoir near Paint Creek Recreation Area, Sanko, Fort Chadbourne, the intersection of Highway 158 and Ranch Road 2059, Oak Creek Reservoir and S87 near the Coke-Tom-Green County line. This includes the following low water crossings: Ross Road Crossing, Bowsier Creek, Hamilton Crossing, Graham Valley Crossing, Walnut Crossing, Little Walnut Creek, Walnut Crossing, Walnut Creek, Fields Crossing, Collier Crossing, Hurley Crossing, Sanko Crossing, Yellow Wolf Creek, and Arledge Crossing, Yellow Wolf Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.